welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and if you are not subscriber, welcome back. So today's video I'll be sharing some of the final exam survival, especially for this current moment when we have online classes both for college and high school. So I divided up I made a plan here, so I'll be looking down on this. I divided up the thingy into two parts. The first one is in terms of preparing the exam. So in terms of preparing the exam, I'll say don't watch the Zoom recording. Because most likely the Zoom recording are like 2 or 3 hours long, and you're wasting that much time, then meaning you rewatch it, and then you spend another hour spending like trying to take notes and understand the content. So instead of that, use review slides. For example, review the slides that the teacher sort of did in the class, and also create your own summary notes, so you can review it, the PowerPoint, see what parts you have to study, what parts are important, and sort of like that, and then create your own study guide summary note. And the other one is watch a YouTube video if you don't understand a certain concept. Most likely there is a lot of YouTube videos that you can find on YouTube on different topics, subject and courses. For me, I have for the ending semester, I used a lot of chemistry, and Professor David Explains was one of the videos the channels I liked, because he was explaining the concept in like 10 to even less than 10 minutes to 8 minutes, and I understand that more than I understand 2 hours of the Zoom class. So yes, watch YouTube videos if you don't understand the certain concept. The other one is use your sample quiz wisely and create a cheat sheet. What I mean is that most likely the teacher is going to give you a sample quiz. So when they give you the sample quiz, sort of review them, and then do sort of test yourself which one you understand, and then once you don't understand, take notes. Most likely for these exams, they're open exam, meaning you can use your notes. So the concepts you don't understand, create yourself a cheat sheet. So that was the first part, which was the preparation. Now is the second part of the video, which is the survival / de-stress. And for this one, the first thing is get a cozy outfit. Cozy outfits, yeah, sort of a soft one that you can breathe in and just, yeah. The other one is get a lot of sweet, and also a bit of noodles, because that will help you. Like, you don't really have to eat them every day, but you can eat them the moments when you're not feeling on the mood, and you don't have the time to sort of cook. Also, the sweets are going to help you a lot, especially when you're stressed out of exams. The third one is get a coffee. This was a big one for me. I really drank a lot of coffee during my assessment and exam period, because every time I'm feeling stressed or I'm sort of confused, or it's the middle of the night and I'm still having work to do, I just get myself a coffee, and that sort of helps me de-stress. Or if you're a tea lover, you can get yourself a tea and sort of thing whenever you're stressed out. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is helpful for everyone out there who's currently studying for exams or preparing assessment and finals. Good luck to your exams, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care.